Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the candle color on MetaTrader 5. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaTrader 5 application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, log in using your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the Quotes tab. Now you can tap on Charts in order to see the chart that you are concerned with, and if you wish to change the color of the candles that you see, then you can tap on anywhere within the charts area, and now you will see the settings option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can scroll all the way down where you will see the colors option. Tap on colors, and now you can see the bull as well as the bear candle option. You can tap on these options and choose your desired color. Once you choose your desired color for both of these options, you can tap on save at the top right corner. And now when you go back, you will see that your desired color has been added onto the chart that you selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the candle color on MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.